Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to Home, go to New Slide, insert a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Fill. Click on this fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to format shape, go to fill and change the transparency from here 46%. Resize it. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Right here, amazing and beautiful PowerPoint presentation. Select it, change the font to Arial, make it bold and make it bigger like this and make it justified. Now place it here. Again go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and right here a creative PowerPoint slide. Rotate it and place it like this and make it bigger and resize it. Now go to the character spacing, go to more spacing and right here 3 point, click on OK and resize it. Now this is looking good. Now select the text, go to shape format, go to shape fill, go to picture. From file I have to select a picture from here. Select this one, click on insert. Now this is perfect. Now I have to add some image. Now let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device, click on picture and let me select this picture, click on insert, click on crop and crop the image like this. Click on outside. Now again go to crop to shape, click on rectangle rounded corner. Now go to picture format, click on the size and position, uncheck the lock and aspect ratio. Right here 6.5 and 2. Now place it like this. Again go to insert, go to picture, go to this device, select this one, click on insert. Go to crop, click on crop and crop the image like this. Click on outside. Place it here. Now go to the size and position and check the lock and aspect ratio. Right here 6.5 and 2. And crop to shape and place it like this. Again go to insert, go to picture, go to this device, select this one, click on insert, crop to shape, rectangle rounded corner, size 0.5 and 2 and place it like this. Now rearrange the photo. Now let me go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. Right here mountain, change the font size and change the font color to white color and place it like this. Hold the Ctrl key and make a copy and again make another copy and right here river and right here city and place it like this. Again click on Ctrl button and make a copy and write here some demo text. Let me add some demo text here. Select this, resize it and place it like this. Hold the Ctrl key and make a copy and place it here. Now again hold the Ctrl key and make a copy and place the text here and change the font color to black color and make it bigger. Place this one here and place this one. Click on right button, click on duplicate slide. Select this one. Let me zoom out. Select this shape and this text and place it like this. Now again select this image and this text and place it here. Again select this text and this image place it here like this. Again select this text and place it here. Select this one and place it here. Now make it bigger and place the text here and make it more bigger and resize it. Now let me select this one and this one, go to transition, click on morph. Now click on this one and go to watch the slideshow. This is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.